Can the HDFC Click to Wealth policy help you create wealth in the long run? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. This is an individual unit-linked insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: there is an option to choose between 3 plan options and a premium waiver option is available, and you also have the option to choose between systematic and partial withdrawals, and there are 17 different fund choices, and the switching is completely free and unlimited in this policy, and only the fund management charge and mortality charge are deducted from your premiums. And for the first 5 years, special addition of 1% of the annualized premium is allocated to your fund, and if the proposer dies, all future premiums will be waived and your fund will be remained invested. So tax advantages may also be offered depending on the prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like maturity benefit, death benefit, and also it has 17 fund options for you to choose from based on your risk appetite. So now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So we are going to calculate the internal rate of return to help us understand what kind of return we actually get at the end of the day in our hands to help us make a more informed decision. So for example scenario, we have chosen the inverse plus benefit option since it is more direct in calculating the maturity value for more easy understanding for you. So here let us assume for IRR calculation that a 35-year-old male has opted for this policy with a sum assured of 12 lakhs and a policy term of 15 years with a premium paying term of 15 years and an annualized premium of 1,20,000. So we are going to calculate the returns based on two assumed future investment rate of return at 4% and 8% per annum. This is just to give you an idea about how this policy can perform in two extremes, like in a worst case scenario and in a best case scenario. So at 4% per annum, the internal rate of return is 2.38% as per the policy's maturity calculator, a maturity benefit of 21,83,407 rupees. And at 8% scenario, which is the best case scenario, the internal rate of return is 6.30% with a maturity benefit of 30,39,029 rupees. So this is not an IRR which ranges from 2 to 6%. Is not something you can consider as justifiable to the risk you have taken and for the long term investment you have invested in it. So as this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to the comparative analysis part. Now in this comparative analysis, we are going to explore an alternative strategy where we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately just to see whether it can fetch us better outcomes if it can perform efficiently if invested separately. So here we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately. So for investment purpose, we have assumed to have taken PPF, which if you are an investor who's not willing to take a lot of risk, this would be an ideal option. So public provident fund is a government-backed scheme known for its stability, assured returns, and EEE tax exemption status. So to get the best value of compounding in a PPF, one must start early as possible. So let us say at age 35, a policyholder called Akash has chosen to invest in PPF and has invested 10,000 rupees per month for 15 years. So at the end of 15 years, he would have accumulated a corpus of 32.54 lakhs with 14.54 lakhs as interest earnings. So here the following table presented on the screen has shown the PPF balance and interest income earned at maturity. So you can have an idea of how much cash flow has done. So besides, you can also take a loan on your PPF money, which is not the case with a ULIP product like HDFC Click to Wealth plan. Since PPF is like backed by the government of India, the risk factor here is virtually zero. For a ULIP product like HDFC policy, the returns are market linked and unstable. And even if you want to look at from an insurance perspective, ULIPs do not stand as adequate an insurance coverage, because if you compare, a term insurance policy would be the cheapest and the most straightforward of all in life insurance policies, because there is no investment component involved. For example, you need to pay just 600 rupees per month, which is 7,200 rupees per year for a life cover of 50 lakhs for a 20-year term period, assuming you're just 36 years of age. So there is no investment involved in term insurance policies. It is a pure insurance product that gives income to the family in case of the breadwinner's demise. So as you can see in this comparative analysis, that you're getting much better coverage through a term insurance policy and building a good corpus through investing in a PPF. But if you're invested in wealth creation and have a high risk appetite, it is much better to stay invested in an equity mutual fund for the long term and take a pure term cover along with it instead of a ULIP product. So let us assume that Akash uses the same 10,000 rupees and puts it in a well-performing ELSS mutual fund. Since an equity mutual fund cannot give you assured returns, let us assume an estimated rate of return at 12% per annum, which is an average return, especially in equity if you choose to invest for 7 and 10 years. So at the end of 15 years, he will have earned a corpus or maturity value of 50.10 lakhs with interest earnings at 32.10 lakhs. So here the tabular column is showing you the cash flow of how this ELSS fund has performed over the years. So in the case of ELSS, the returns are exempted from tax up to 1.25 lakh per annum. So gains above this limit are taxed at 12.5%, which is LTCG, long-term capital gains. So you should note that 12% CAGR for an ELSS fund is a conservative assumption. A good number of well-performing ELSS mutual funds can deliver returns at a rate of 15% or even higher in the long-term period. So here in this scenario, the post-tax return is 46.24 lakhs, which is still higher than the returns delivered by the HDFC policy. So what is the final verdict? Is investing in the HDFC Click to Wealth policy worth it or not? To sum up, in this policy, it is essential to know that an investment product should be used for investment and a pure term insurance product is best for life cover. So smart investors usually distinguish between the insurance and investment objectives, but combining the two of them in the form of an ULIP cannot give you optimal returns or adequate life cover. So you can avoid this policy at all costs. Instead, you can go for a term plan and choose PPF or an ELSS fund depending on your risk appetite. Insurance agents will push you into this plan for their own agent commission, so please beware. In a nutshell, if you're a conservative investor, you're better off going with a term insurance plan plus PPF. For a risk tolerant investor with an eye for wealth creation, you can go for a top performing ELSS mutual fund plus term insurance. And if you do want a professional guidance, you can definitely consult with a financial planner who will help navigate you through your own financial planning journey.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.